Hey, what's up guys, this is Pramod here from ePram Tech. So it has been a lot of time I have made a bike video. I thought I'll replace the spark plugs on my Royal Enfield Classic 500 and let us see how we are going to do it. As of now the bike is not starting properly. It is mostly because of the spark plug issue. So I'm going to replace both the spark plugs and let us see how do we do it. So guys, I have taken the tools. What I'm going to use is this one and this and mostly this. So let me try that. I have a screwdriver with me. This is the screwdriver. This is to take out the wire that is connecting the plug. And these are the spark plugs. These are Bosch spark plugs, exactly the same numbers that the Royal Enfield is using. So the cap is off now and I'm going to place this carefully inside. This is now placed. Now I'm going to use this. Guys, this is the condition of the spark plug. So much of carbon. Inserting the spark plug. So now I'm going to tighten it. So first I'm going to use my hand so that spark plug gets into the place. So now I'm tightening the new one. So I'm going to just align it with this. Okay, now it is in place now, and I am going to, now it is done, it is placed. The click sound is the confirmation that the clip of the spark plug is placed. So guys, this is the big spark plug now. I'm going to use this tool. Okay, so this is the small one. I'm going to put it like this. So this is completely aligned. Now I'm going to take the same tool and now I'm going to lose it. Lose it. Done. So now we can slowly do this. Okay. So now I'm going to take the spark plug out completely. So this one is little easy because this one is the big one, and so now I'm going to use my hand. Oh, this one is gone completely. See guys, this is the situation of the spark plug, the big one. So now I'm going to tight it one last time. That's it. So the spark plug is tight, and now I'm going to connect the wire. Oh god. Okay, so just place it like this and press it from the top. It should give a click sound. So guys, we have to remove this. I'll show you what. So this needs to be removed. This is the cap. So this needs to be removed. Now I can easily connect the spark plug. Actually, okay, 1 second. So this is how it was. Nah, not like this. Maybe it was like this. Okay, just wait for the click sound. Done. So now the spark plug is connected. Guys, I have replaced both the spark plugs. This is the situation after replacing the spark plugs, and the plugs are completely gone. I never expected this could happen. I've asked the engineers every time to check the spark plugs, but I guess they haven't. So I had to replace them all by myself. So now I'm going to start the bike, switch on the ignition, and now try giving a self start. See guys, so now the bike is start in one time, but earlier it was taking at least 3 to 4 times, and I had to switch off the ignition and switch it on multiple times. But now the bike was start instantly. So let us try again. Now the ignition is on. So that is it guys. This was just a short video on how to replace both the spark plugs on the Royal Enfield Classic 500. So this is the tool used to replace the bigger spark plug that is on the left, and this is the tool that we can use to replace the small spark plug that is on the right, and we'll require this. All these 3 things are given in the toolkit. The screwdriver from the toolkit was not there. Maybe I have given it to my friend or something, so I had to get an additional screwdriver to remove the spark plug connection. That is it. So these 4 tools are required, and if you guys please, if you like this video, please like it. If you want to share this video to your friends, please share it, and keep watching Deep Ram Tech. This is Deep Ram Tech signing off.